Your siding does a lot for your Raleigh home, whether insulating it in all seasons or boosting your curb appeal. Sometimes, though, your siding isn't doing its job correctly. In this case, you should consider siding replacement. But what are the signs that your siding is failing? At Window Depot of Raleigh, we've seen all the most common signs that you need a siding replacement. One of the most significant signs of siding failure is if you notice your energy bills are higher than usual. This symptom goes hand in hand with water-damaged siding or insect damage. Termites often target the wood structural beams in your home, causing the vinyl siding to warp and buckle. No matter what material your siding is made of, water can get under the siding, especially if there's already existing damage. Instances where there's a lot of water pooling around your house's foundation, such as when it floods, can lead to permanent siding damage. If your curb appeal isn't what it used to be, siding replacement can help. Whether your siding is damaged, outdated, or just no longer your style, new siding can work wonders to transform your Raleigh home. Vinyl siding comes in various colors and styles to match your perfect style. Plus, it's durable, affordable, and has a high ROI. If you're considering selling your home, replacing the siding is a better way to make it stand out in a competitive housing market. If you're ready to replace your siding, call Raleigh's experts, Window Depot of Raleigh, at 919-801-2506.